Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. This is a long video, so if you are in a rush, just save it for later. Today is going to be all about how to sell online or how to sell, someone something. That's it. It's going to be in detail. I want to explain everything as clearly as possible, and also, what we do, how this help you, and how we don't help you also. But we want to explain everything as clearly as possible. The other day, I was chatting with a client, and she is a coach in Germany. So we are going to share what she does. And also, she was asking like, hey, how can I get more clients? How can I get more customers? And this is important for, I think, for everyone to have a map, to have a clear, strategy about what are you going to do and how you are going to do it. A funnel is, I think, this is basic, but I think it's important for everyone to have in mind. There is a funnel. A funnel is how you get customers, and a funnel means there are things that are top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel. Not everything is getting paid. No, to get paid, you need to do things beforehand. So if you don't prepare actions for top of the funnel, no one is going to ask for more information. That will be middle of the funnel. No one is going to pay you. That means bottom of the funnel. So you need to prepare, things beforehand. You need to have time, to get things done. If you don't do it, things are not going to happen. So this is like a preparation for you to have things. I mean, when you see someone saying, hey, I do great, I have a lot of sales, all that, is because beforehand there was top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel. No one gets money without having a clear strategy. So don't think things will happen suddenly. That's very rare. Things take time. Things you need preparation. But if you do it, then the cycle of sales is going to be much easier for you, for your business, for everything. So what is top of the funnel? Top of the funnel means someone knows about you. Someone discovered what you do. So this is very important. So top of the funnel means you are doing ads, SEO, YouTube, content, something that you share with your audience. There is people, no, there are users who has a lot of SEO, a nice brand, they are popular in YouTube, Instagram, you name it. So if this is working, then you have contacts, proposals, presentations. I mean, someone is asking, hey, I like this, what you do. I love what you share. I love how you do it. I want more information. That I want more information is very important, and is what happens in the middle of the funnel. The middle of the funnel normally is that, hey, I want more information. But to have users asking for I want more information, you need this. Okay, you need top of the funnel. So our tool, with the landing page, with the widgets, with everything, we help you here, middle of the funnel. We help you making the I want more information easier. Someone is using the phone, discover what you do, and they want more information. And WhatsApp is the perfect tool for converting those users into potential customers. But normally, the problem most business have is here. I don't have views, I don't have engagement, I don't have interaction, I don't have likes, I don't have an audience, I don't have users asking for I want more information. So WhatsApp is good, but if I don't have more clients, who cares? No, that's it. So, so we are not going to talk about, the bottom of the funnel. We are not going to talk the middle of the, maybe I will make another video. Today is all about how to get more views, users, audience, all that, no? Because I think is, where there is more pain, no? The moment you have audience and you have request, I want more information, WhatsApp is going to help you, and then it's easy to move the potential customer into a customer if the price is right, all that. I mean, there are other things to consider, but I think it's easier the moment you have an audience to move the client, down the funnel. So ads, SEO, YouTube content, those are the the levels, those are the things you can do to get more users. So should you do ads? Maybe not. SEO, I think is good for everyone. YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, I think is good for everyone. I think it's something you need to do. You need to share what you do. You don't like it, it's hard, whatever, do it. I think it's important to do it. And if you do content, like video, TikTok, Instagram, I think it's easy to create other contents, like blog posts, presentations like this one, or things like that. I think it's easy to convert a video into other, types of content. So, go ahead, make a video and then share it. And here, what I think this part, I think is the one that really matters, no? Because sometimes you do ads, SEO, and it's not working. Why it's not working? Probably you don't have the right strategy. And there are 3 strategies. That's it. There is pretty much there is anything else. And those 3 are the ones you need to, think about. This part is hard work. I mean, you need to really think hard how you are going to make these strategies work, because this is what is going to make, everything different for your business. So there are 3: the crack dealer strategy, the viral strategy, and the network effect. You can do 1, 2, 3, all of them. I mean, this is up to you. They are compatible. We are going to see how this works. So what means crack dealer strategy? You're going to give something free, but you need to hook the user. Okay? If you give something free and doesn't hook, you are just, giving away, value. So it's important to hook the user, If I go to a supermarket and, someone is giving, free cheese, as to try, does that hook me? Probably not. You need to create something that really hooks, like, hey, I want more, I want to come back tomorrow, I want more information, I want to start a conversation. So that's very important when you create, what is called, the lead magnet. No, normally people, when someone tells you, hey, you need to give a lead magnet means you're going to give away a PDF or something like that, or some material, to get the lead. No, like I want to give something free, the cheese, the PDF, the template, whatever. I mean, you can call it as you want. But the topic is, I'm going to create a free sample. Let's put here a free PDF or sample to get, the customer. I want to get the email, the phone number, something. I want to get something from the user, some detail of, hey, you go to my website, you want to learn more, you want to understand better what we do. So I'm going to ask you for, a phone number, email, whatever. But if there is no hook, that's not going to work. You need to hook the user. And what means hook? I want more information. I want to keep understanding how this works. This is part of a process. I want more videos. I want more whatever. So this is very important for you when you are planning, like, hey, I want more users. Okay, what are you going to do to hook the user? So this is for you to think. I mean, in the comments, if you want to share something, that will be fantastic. If not, you can send me a WhatsApp. I mean, we are here to help you. I mean, this is something we do for, with our users. I mean, if a user asks for help, of course, we help you. I mean, this is something we do, for you. And this is something we want to, expand, and we want to help more users understanding your business and how we can help you. Okay, so strategy number 1, free is good, but you need to hook the user. If you don't do it, nothing is going to happen. Second, viral means I need to share it. Okay, this is the same. This is very important. This is something you need to think about, how this is going to work. But if you want to make something viral, means the user who discovers you is going to share it with your users. So this is something you need to plan, how you are going to do it, how you make your landing page, PDF, video, whatever, how you make it shareable, how to make it, people talk about, you need to make the 5 seconds, so, like crazy that we don't do it. Even, without that, the channel is working. So, there are no rules. I mean, viral can be, you do long videos, you can do crazy things that are not, the standard and still are going to work. So, don't focus on, because someone is saying this, you need to do it. Do whatever you love, but think about how you make it shareable, how you make it that, hey, send this to your friends, send this to your colleagues, send this to your partners, send this to whatever. No, viral means that the user who discovers what you do wants to share it. Okay, that's very important. Viral. And network effect, that's the last one, and this is the hardest one. This is the one that is going to, that is for you to think is going to be really challenging. Network effect means your product or your solution works better with someone else, and someone else also makes this the solution to work better, and so on and so on. So the more people working together with your solution, the better the solution becomes. And this is, like crazy. This is the holy grail of, product development. No, I mean, if you make something with network effect, you have something that pretty much is indestructible. So network effect is, is the holy grail. WhatsApp has network effect. No, the more users using WhatsApp, the better it works. No, because everyone is on WhatsApp, everyone replays, everyone engage on WhatsApp. The groups are fantastic. So WhatsApp becomes indestructible. I mean, you cannot challenge WhatsApp. That's it. I mean, maybe something else will happen, but the network effect makes your solution indestructible. How you do it? This is very hard. I mean, you really need to think about how you are going to do it. Okay, but this is a strategy. Okay, how you do things. Okay, and this is the strategy to make these things real. Okay, to make these things work. Because if you make ads, just to make ads like, hey, I'm here, that is not going to work. The ads you create, they need to deliver, crack dealer strategy, viral, or network effect. Without this, you're not going to succeed. So that's very important. Okay, so now what we can do, like, hey, okay, this is good, I got it, I need to think about it, fine, okay, how can I start? Of course, our solution, what you can do with us. You can do, the widget, the landing page, all that is great. The landing page, you can make something like this with AI. So, this is the problem solution. Okay, this is like, I have a problem, I need to communicate with my colleagues, I work on, in this case, is, hey, I work on healthcare. Okay, that's my target. What I do, how can I help my customers? I help them coaching about communication. Healthcare is a very, stressful, demanding environment. I need to have, confidence, on myself when I, face my superiors or a colleague, or I need to ask for a raise or anything like that. Okay, that's there is a problem, there is a market, there is a solution. Fantastic. Okay, Claudia is the coach for that, type of users. Okay, what I do next? With Claudia, we did, a bunch of, different, headlines, a bunch of different, topics, a bunch of different, landing pages for SEO. So this is going to work on SEO. That's good. I mean, there are users who will land on these landing pages. That's fantastic. But I need more. I need to send more. I need to face more customers. I need to engage with more customers. What I can do? Okay, first, we love, and I think it's very important, WhatsApp groups. So you can search for pretty much anything, healthcare professionals, for example. You go to groups, and there is a bunch of WhatsApp, Facebook groups about healthcare professionals. Okay, 10K, 22K, 9,000K, 44K. So there is a lot of good groups with good engagement. 10 posts per day, 8 posts per day, 8 posts a month. So maybe this one is not as good, but Facebook groups are fantastic. What you need to do here, because sometimes it's like, hey, I'm going to start a new group. I don't think that's a good idea. I think it's better to go where there is some interaction already. Don't start from scratch. Go to places where there is already some interaction. So go there, engage, talk to people, like find. I mean, this is something like we do every day. We go to groups like this one, small business owners, and we try to understand what is happening, what are the issues, what are the topics. For example, for a small business owner making 100K in your business, straightforward strategy based copy. Like this person is asking for some advice, so you can go here, reply, engage. And what I think is important is you need to, your goal is for someone to click on your profile. And in your profile, you should have your links, landing pages, WhatsApp number, everything to make easy to engage. So don't think about, coming to a group and, hey, I'm a coach, this is my link, contact me. No, that's not going to work. You need to engage, reply, find the proper conversation, find the proper topic, and become, someone who really helps. That's your goal. Your goal is not to come here like a spammer and, hey, I'm here, this is my link, contact me for. No, that's not real. That doesn't work. That doesn't go anywhere. You want to come here, start a conversation, or better, engage in a conversation that is going, and be someone useful. That's your number one goal. If you do that, people is going to check on your profile. Hey, this looks good. I want more information. That's your goal. Okay? So groups, very important. LinkedIn, of course, you can do something here. And Reddit. Reddit is a fantastic forum. It's the number one forum, I think, worldwide. There are hundreds of topics here. What we do? we search for WhatsApp, and we help users who, we can help. I mean, we help to the users who, we can do something for them, I don't know what is this. I don't know. You need official WhatsApp to log in. I don't know. WhatsApp username. We try to find users, with a question that is relevant for us, and we try to help. If there is nothing here, we search for WhatsApp API. We search for that. This is important. Past month. I mean, don't go, back in time. And this one, can an enterprise WhatsApp join a group? This is a very good question, and we can provide an answer. And the same, what's my goal? My goal is for the user to think, hey, this looks good. This guy looks smart. Okay, what is he doing? And here we have, our links. We have more comments. There is a little banner. So, the funnel is engage, view your profile, go to my website. The same here, the same in YouTube, the same everywhere. You discover a video like this one, and hey, I want more information. You click on the profile, you click on the comments, and you ask for more information. So that's it. That's how you sell online. Top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel. And here, content, the user asks for more information, and then you have a pricing payment option. That's it. Simple, but you need to be consistent as hell. And that means every day, every week, every month, you are doing content, you are going to have leads, you are going to have customers. But you need to be consistent as hell. Don't do it once in a while, randomly, etc. You need to have content pretty much every day, pretty much every week, pretty much every month, and you are there for your customers always, And your customers, they may not pay you, first time. They may think about, for you, in a while or something, and they consider other options. So don't rush anyone, Be here, be consistent, be always, as much as you can available. Help for real to your customers. Don't sell crappy stuff, be honest, like, hey, this is my solution, this is what we do, this is the price, we think it's fair, that's it. Do you like it? Fine, let's move on. You don't like it? Well, let's try something else, okay? Well, hope this helped you. Our solution, we think is fantastic. We think really helps you, getting, customers, getting you in front of new people. But, to get new customers, you need to go where they are, okay? Otherwise, it's not going to work. And what is important, the moment the user asks for more information, you need the strategy, okay? The strategy is you need to hook the user with your content, tools, offering, whatever. You need to make the user share it. That's also very important because you need the user to give you a new user, otherwise it doesn't work. Or you need the network effect, okay? Well, hope this helped you. It's a long video, but hope this makes sense for you. And we are here for you. So if you need more information, help, anything, just send us a WhatsApp, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.